So this is one of the midterm example solutions that I wanted to post. These are three problems that people had some trouble with on the test, and so I thought I'd go over my solutions to them. So first of all, there's one about an inequality here. It's a nonlinear inequality. And the thing to remember about inequalities, like the nonlinear ones, is that we usually use a picture to help us solve the inequality. Okay, so what I always say is, consider a sign graph for the non-zero side. So I always compare to zero, put everything on one side, and then make a sign graph for that non-zero looking side. Okay. And the way you build a sign graph, and you'll do this a little bit more when you take your calculus class too, by the way. But what you do is you look for the zeros of the function, which kind of come from the top of this fraction, and you look at the holes in the domain that come from dividing by zero, basically. Those are the two places that you can, where the function can switch from positive to negative or negative to positive, possibly. Okay. There's a fact in calculus called the intermediate value theorem that you will see, and it proves that this works, basically. Okay. So anyways, you're looking at the zeros and the holes of the function. You draw them on you draw a number line and plot all those points. The other thing that's important about the number line is that you have the order correct, of course. So -2, 2, and 5. I put little holes for the like little open circles for the holes in the domain, and I fill in my circles for the zeros. That's just my own convention. Then what you do is you just test points in between and outside of those interesting points. So I tried -3 and I got a positive, 0 I got a negative, 3 got a positive, and 6 and I got a positive, okay? Now again, if I'm looking at this original problem, it was greater than or equal to 0, which means where is this function, positive or 0? So it's positive left of -2, and it's positive between 2 and 5, 0 at 5, and positive thereafter. So positive or 0 is everything greater than 2 as well. So there's our solution.